Hi, everybody. I'm really excited. I went to Canada lately to one of their outlets in Niagara, and I got a few items. A couple of them are seaweeds, the seaweeds 2021 pants, and I also got like a few other things. I got these Aligns, the new blue ones in camo. Here's one of the seaweeds. These are Speed Wonder mid-rise tight, 28-inch, with the seaweeds on the side. Very cute. And then I got these Swift Speed high-rise tight in 28-inch. They have a little bit of reflection on the bottom. Really cute. Like a lime green camo. And then these are another seaweeds. They're Swift Speed high rise tight like those, but they're the seaweeds ones. They're like a yellow greenish, and then they have the seaweeds. And then I got the Align 25 with pockets, and I think this is Milagros green or something like that. And finally, I got the Align High Rise 23-inch and diamond dye. And then let's get started. Okay, so these are the Align 25 in the new blue and teal camo. Really cute. Okay, so these are one of the seaweed Speed Wonder mid-rise tight with the seaweeds on the side. It's like blurred pink. And then the seaweeds logo on the back. Really cute. I think this is Everlux. Yeah, New Lux fabric. Really comfy. There's a zipper on the back. Really cute. Okay, so these are the Swift Speed High Rise Tight 28-inch. They have the reflective details on the bottom. They have pockets on the side. They have a zipper on the back. They're very comfy. These are like string fabric. Super cute on. Really cute. Okay, guys, so these are the Swift Speed High Rise Tight seaweeds with this cool seaweeds logo on the back, calf, and then the reflective details, side pockets, like string fabric, zipper on the back. Super cute. They're like a lime green, yellow color. Okay, so these are the Align with pockets. They have the side pockets and then a back pocket in the back waist. These are super cute. The color's adorable. I really like these. Okay, and lastly, I have the Align 23" in diamond dye, the pink and like grayish black. Really cute on. Can't go wrong with these. Really cute. Hey guys, so sorry it took me so long. I was up in Canada. But super excited to share this video with you, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my Instagram at Beckabout. And I have a Facebook group called Lululemon Addicts. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.